I don't know when Brussels sprouts became sexy, but I'm not mad at it. So we are going to make those restaurant-style Brussels sprouts. You know, the ones people order now, not only just as a side dish, but as an appetizer. This whole dish comes together on a sheet pan, and these are maple bacon Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna get the bacon going because I want some of that fat to render out to toss my Brussels sprouts in. This is not in the recipe, I just think it's smart. And I'm just gonna pop that in the oven just while it preheats. Once the oven's preheated, that's enough, and then you can proceed. Just start by trimming your Brussels sprouts. So you just trim off the stem, and then I'm gonna cut most of them in half because that gives it more surface area to get roasted. The tiny ones like this, I'll just leave whole. All right, our bacon has par cooked, and you can see all that fat that it's rendered out. We can add a little more olive oil if we need to, but that might be enough to coat our Brussels sprouts. At this point, I'm just gonna add in our Brussels sprouts, the maple syrup, get you a little sweet and salty, and then just a little salt and pepper. Okay, give it a toss. Mark my words, you need to go ahead and save this one to your favorites because you're going to want this come Thanksgiving. Back into the oven, 400 degrees. At this point, it'll take about 20 to 30 minutes. You're gonna wanna stir it about halfway through. How good do these look? All of that caramelization is like candied goodness. You're gonna wanna make extra of this though, I'm telling you. We've come a long way since the way my mom served me Brussels sprouts, which was boiled with some apple cider vinegar over the top. Right away. The flavor of the Brussels sprouts makes this like a whole umami kind of flavor packed, perfect bite. Look at that. Just make them.
The C47. Hey, show that C47. It's C47. Hey, hey.